Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So I'm hurrying up because I went to my P.O. box and I had some mail. I was so excited. I'm on my lunch break, and before I go back, I want to see what it is because I can't wait till I get home. I don't know what this is. It says Amazon. It's a box. So let's see what it is. Almost broke a nail. I'm back home, y'all. It was hard to get up this morning after that weekend. I said I need a whole detox. Actually, it wasn't too bad. I drank. I did drink, but it wasn't too bad. And this is JT's birthday week, so I still gotta go hard for her this week. Enjoy your gift. Happy birthday to you, your friend. Oh, Jen Griffin. Thank you. That's so sweet. What is it? Oh, it looks like something with friends on it. She knows my heart. What is this? Hold on. Oh, it's like a calendar. And it comes with stickers. I'm like a kid. You can't go wrong when something comes with stickers. This could be a desk. I'm taking this right in the building with me. Thank you, Jen. It's a friend's desk calendar. It looks like it has a full color on every page, like pictures and different quotes and stuff. This is fabulous, and it comes with stickers so I can put people's birthdays and stuff. Yep, put that right on my desk. That is so awesome. And it's a mug. You know what's so funny? Oh my goodness. Yesterday? Sunday. I went to Cracker Barrel. You'll see it on the vlogs. I went to Cracker Barrel with Veronica and her husband, and we saw a Friends mug in there, and I literally almost bought it. It had Friends on there, and then it had Ross's quote, "We were on a break." And I almost bought it. Let's play bamboozle. Oh, this is awesome. I'm taking this inside too. Thank you. I appreciate it. This is gonna be my coffee mug. That is so sweet. I got a bag on the floor because I was just at Staples. I was getting some envelopes for Daziah's wedding. And I have another box. Oh. Let's see what it says. Oh. So I have to drive downstate tonight after work to pick up Joy. I know she probably like, where have you been? Hold on. Okay, there was some people walking by. Oh, look. Alicia McCallum, thank you. Okay, oh, so Bonnie, she was on the live stream. It said she sent something back in 2019. I stumbled on your video when you and hubby were stuck on a cruise due to Hurricane Dorian, and I've been watching you ever since. My condolences for your loss. Wanted to send you some little pieces of happiness for you, the fam, and the besties. Thank you. That is so sweet. I appreciate that. You know, it's funny, a lot of people found my channel because of getting stuck. That darn hurricane got us. What is this? This is too cute. It's like a stand. It's like a chair. They sitting on the chair. This is definitely some mobilities. That is too cute. She got earrings and everything. I wonder where I could put this. What I could put it on. That is too cute. Oh, this is for Dallas. Dinosaur cards. He will love that. He is definitely going to love that. She really got something for everybody. This is for Joy. Shall I open for Joy? She's going to be like, don't be opening my present. Oh, it's like an ornament, I believe. I don't want to unwrap it, but I think it's some kind of ornament. That is too cute. Something for JT. Something for Drew. This is too cute. Kisha got something. Wow, everybody gets something. Oh, is this a magnet? This is for the girl. That's a shame. And everybody be like, that's for the boy. And it's right, that's what I call him, right? Oh, this is really cute. This is some really sweet things. I appreciate it. And magnets. Y'all know I love magnets. Yes, honey. These is plus size divas. Okay. That's what you call it. I put them right on my fridge. Oh, and some books for the kids. That's for Dallas. And Corey. My vacation book. Oh, that's awesome. Corey going on vacation soon, too. A Twinkies Cookbook. An inventive and unexpected recipe collection. Oh, wow. This is cute. Some good, cute recipes. Some stuff to do with the kids. You know we be wanting activities. And more recipes. Ooh, thank you so much, Miss Alicia. These is actually, woo. These will really be good with the kids. Some fun little, oh, got a spare ribs. Okay. Hot frogs. Some cute recipes in here. How to make donuts. Thank you. This is awesome. And I really appreciate it. And I'm going to thank you for everybody else, too. Just in case. And then I got some cards. So, this is Miss Legacia. She sent cards for Kisha and Jennifer, too. Which is so nice. So, I'm going to make sure that they get their cards. And I got a card from Tracy. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. That was so nice. You guys didn't have to do that. You're very sweet. And I totally appreciate it. Okay. I gotta go back in the building. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. It's JT's pre-birthday turn up. Look at her little bows on. Kisha color coordinated with her red, honey. Oh, and look at my shoes. That's what Sugar used to say. And oh, look at my shoes. It was a channel called Who is Sugar, and I loved her. And she would always say, ooh, look at my shoes. Let me show y'all what we got. Today is, that was her name. Her mom named her Sugar. Today is National Crab Meat Day. So we got some crab dip. And we got a seafood dip. And let me show you all. JT made a cheese and veg fruit plate.
And then some dip on the side.
With the dips.
I got some good.
She done had this crap in here for weeks. Like, nobody touching this. Every time we come, it's on table. Like she really think people going to be eating that.
It's like the church candy.
Yeah, it don't ever go bad.
You just don't want to get rid
And of course, we got our vittles. Look who's here. Say hi, Jusicle. She's too busy watching the freeze dance. Mama, say hi. Now, we're having some dinner. We got some chicken and rice. Okay, you're gonna drop it. You wanna have some? You wanna have some? Yeah, just put your hand right in it, okay. Just took my shrimp. It's hot.
Yes, it's hot.
Yeah. Well, don't finger all of them. We got to share that. Which one are you going to eat? You got to let it cool off.
The one already touched.
Say good morning. Happy Friday. Bobby working from home today. This one ain't got no school.
And Drew has school.
Yeah.
I don't.
Drew has school.
But I don't know what I'm going to do today.
Why are you talking like that? I don't like that. So we're having some boiled eggs and sausage. Are you going nowhere? I got to work.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. This boy done somehow. My shirt is so dirty. Talked me into bringing him to the park. I'm so drained. I've been sneezing all day. My allergies is acting a fool. I finally took an allergy pill. I didn't want to because I didn't want to get sleepy. But if I knew it was going to be like this, I would have took one last night. So I had to hurry up and take a pill, try to get myself together. But like, I feel like my head is so heavy because I have sneezed so much. But he out there playing. He done found a couple friends to play with. I told him, I was like, you got 20 minutes. I'm on my lunch break. So I'm gonna let him run around for a few minutes. He been in the backyard all day. Anyway, him and the dog been outside playing. He still wanna come in and be like, what are you doing? I need something to do. I'm like, oh my God, why is school closed? It's in-service day. We're outside of the school that's around the corner from the house, and they got their little sign up, and it said school was closed on the 11th for teacher in-service day. Oh, so we're gonna let him run around. Maybe I'll take him to McDonald's. I've been wanting a Shamrock Shake. I had one Shamrock Shake all season, and that was like 2 weeks ago when it first came out. Was it 2 weeks? Probably 2 weeks ago, because it always comes out like right at the very beginning of March or end of February. And I try to only get like one a week or so, and I didn't even go last week. So I love the Shamrock Shakes, and you know they only come around this time of year. So with St. Patrick's Day about to be coming up next week, I was like, I better get me one more in if they have it. You know, a lot of times they be like, we don't have it right now, or our machine is down. So hopefully I can get one and go back and finish these last couple hours of work. I was supposed to have a training today from 1 to 3, which is why I took my break so early, but I still never got an email or nothing about it, so I don't know if it's going to happen or not. But I'm going to finish my work, and then I would love to take a nap. That's my goal after work, to take a nap. But I think Daziah and Karan are coming over, so we can start gathering the items to put in the envelopes to send out wedding invitations. I just ordered the invitations to her bridal shower, so I'm going to be working on that. I got to get the tablecloths and stuff like that. It's going to be real simple. Nothing major, but I'm excited because that's coming up really soon as well. So anyway, it is nice outside though. That was the whole purpose, I think, of me turning the camera on, to say that it was a nice day outside today, although I think we're supposed to get a snowstorm tomorrow, which is ridiculous. And funny, Jocelyn and Veronica sent videos today that they got snow in Chicago this morning. So last week this past weekend I got it good. No snow, but now they got snow. So I was like, God knows my heart. It's so green. I'm excited. Hey guys, happy Saturday. Happy birthday, JT. Today is Jennifer's birthday, and we are about to go have some fun today. Although the weather is pretty much being JT today. Temperamental. It's raining, it's windy, now it's hailing or sleeting or something, and snow. And I'm ashy. It's a whole lot of things going on right now with the weather. But y'all know how we do. If she rocking, we rolling, and she said, let's do it, so we doing it. We out here. We're going to get it together. We're going to have, I think we're going to try to grab a quick breakfast somewhere, maybe McDonald's. I haven't gotten a cancellation from the tattoo chick, so it look like we still driving down to Dover to get tattoos. So that'll take about 45 minutes to an hour, depending how far down state she is. And we're gonna do that, hopefully I go live and you will be there. If I go live and you were there, hit me with the deuces. What else? And I think we're gonna go get lunch, like some real food after. So yeah, JT has reached her birthday and we are ready to have a great day. So see y'all in a little bit. Happy birthday! You still drunk? Apparently. Hey, Shawnee.
You like you said? Hey, what's up, Mom?
Look at her pretty cupcake. It's like the rose. And
Thank you.
She gets a crown. Oh yeah, I gave her your card, Miss Legacia, and this is from Miss Bonnie.
Thank you. This is from Miss Bonnie.
Yes.
And this is from
Miss Legacia.
Miss Legacia. Okay.
She's going on groupcation.
Oh, so
you will see
we're gonna
her.
turn up.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. I just love.
She
Thank
said
you.
she had
I
put
love
on my
love.
thing the Starbucks. It was like it's for the Thursday after Wind Down Wednesday. So you have to go to Starbucks on Thursday because you know.
Yes, because I need to get my life back because of her.
Me? Because of them.
Y'all, all of y'all. All of y'all. This right here.
That is you though.
Okay, but what part of it is it me? Is it the head wrap or the
And it's the beat face. It's everything, honey. You always got a big statement piece of jewelry on. She got your personality really good with that.
Thank you.
Mine was like that too. Mommy mission. It's your birthday.
It's fucking snowing. And you're like, let's
go. Let's do it. Kisha done gave us coffee. I'm eating a candy cane probably from 1940, but it's okay. We out. Alright, we just got to the spot. We're at the Ink Awakening Tattoo in Camden. It's still snoring a little bit, but it calmed down.
It's cold.
Look at their sign though. It says, if you're sick, drunk, on drugs, pregnant, smelly, dirty, obnoxious, or soliciting, please come back when you're not. I think we pretty much all those things. I don't know.
I'm pregnant.
Sniff your underarm. Do you stink?
I'm not, like, no.
We obnoxious though, so she might want to take that off the sign.
But it's birthday day, so I can be obnoxious, or she's not taking it from anybody.
We just came to video Dover Downs, so we're gonna go to the sugar factory. How you feeling?
I'm hanging in there.
Yo, thank y'all for being on the live. Y'all are crazy. It was so much fun. I am still wrapped up. And she was so nice. She touched up the one that I already had. She added color to it, but she free-handed the other ones and it looked just like the one that I had, which was crazy. All these people playing these slot machines, making me be like, oh, I don't want to eat, I want to play. See? Look, there go those darn buffalo. But we're coming here to the sugar factory. Right, so Cheesecake, not Cheesecake Factory. Sugar Factory was a bust. Made a reservation and waited 30 minutes. And then when it was our reservation time, the darn hostess walked off or some shit. There was all these people in line. So it was just a big mess. And people was arguing and fighting. And that was 20 minutes after our reservation time.
How about you? Thank you.
So now we're at a place called Wolfy's Grill.
Do you have
Wolfy's Grill. So we're gonna see what we can get because we have not eaten since 10:30. I got a Malibu Bay Breeze. JT got a vodka orange crush, and Kisha got a martini. You got martini?
Oh, I got a Manhattan.
Oh, a Manhattan.
But today's my birthday.
They got a lot of good stuff on the menu. But I think I'm gonna get the cheesy crab fries and a Cuban style quesadilla. He wanted a shot. Wait till she come back and see this. This is all great juice. You the one asked for this shot. He said I filled it up for you all.
That's a triple shot. I think it's half at the bottom.
Yo.
It's more than how much did you ask how much these were?
No. And he said, talking about it makes it go down faster. Do it.
What makes it good?
It's your birthday. Take a shot.
I'm just
Wait,
I'm
it's too thick. It don't fit.
Too what? Okay, come on. Here's to 47. Hope it's the best year that you can have for the next 364 days.
Thank
Y'all gotta
you.
go. That's what everybody.
Yeah,
no,
but I'm
you
not-
gotta clink and
Okay,
then
come on.
Clink, clink, what?
Clink,
Clink,
no, clink.
clink, and
Down.
tap,
Yeah,
chug.
I'm not drinking at all.
Wait, one sip only takes you to the line.
I still, my meniscus is
scared.
still not at the line.
I'm scared. Oh, not the meniscus. Okay, medical lab assistant. All right, Miss Furman, proud of you, girl. Me. Oh, that's me too.
We're gonna share it.
He's like, oh, she getting all the stuff. I'm the greedy one. I got 2 things. Look at this. Quesadilla Cuban. This is the birthday girl.
Thank you.
And look, I got some cheesy crab fries. Yes. Let's see what it's working with. No bad. Still swole. I'll wash it off. Yo, this dog keeps sniffing like she can smell the stuff from the tattoo. I literally have to hold her head because she keeps trying to mess with me. And I'm like, girl, I will fight you in here. Stop. Crazy. She's insane. So I washed it off a little bit. Still very, very, very tender. And I have some, stop it. Ah! This, Aquatat Joy tattoo ointment to, it's got this little, the small one that they had at the tattoo shop. I normally would use like A&D or something, but I don't need a whole big thing. So this works. I'm gonna, let this completely dry and then just put a thin layer over everything just so it's tightening up a little bit as I, get ready for sleep and everything. But I'm very happy with it. So tight. So I already had this one, but she touched up the color right there. And then she drew it. So the concept was that, they're flying into the unknown. And she did it all freehand. And I couldn't believe how this one looks almost exactly like this one. Like she could just look at this one and see that and then draw it. So, and extend it down. Thought about getting a couple more, but we'll wait. We'll wait and see. So I'm gonna put that on there. So yeah. I think I'm gonna end it here. I'm just about to go to bed. I'm trying to think. Ouch, ouch, ouch. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow I'll have a couple shirt orders to do tomorrow. And then I'm going to, so I can mail those off because it's for people that are cruising later this month. So maybe I'll end the vlog tomorrow. Y'all can see the shirts. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Uh-oh. Sorry. Watching La Lido Loca. Tony posed the question of, can you cruise too much? That was his topic for today. I guess in actuality you can, because you can do anything too much, right? After a while, it's like let me do something else. Or, yeah, I done did that way too much. So, I can see how you could cruise too much. But, that don't mean cruising ain't fun. Maybe if I could cruise more, then I would think I was cruising too much. But, I can't. I'm sitting here racking my brain, too, about actually trying to jump on a cruise in April. Because I have a really good deal. Like, so good. But the problem is, it leaves from Orlando. And the flights are so high right now. Like, it's crazy. And I don't mind paying for what I want to pay for. That's not the problem. The problem is, like, why does it cost so much to go from Philly to Orlando when it's not even a 3-hour flight? That's what gets me. Like, y'all just getting over. Y'all just getting over with all this cost. So, I think I keep checking. I do. I keep checking. I keep looking. I keep thinking about it back and forth, because I would love to go. Just a 3-day on the Liberty. Quick little getaway. But I just can't get that price together. I was even gonna just go to Florida because that's Easter weekend to see my sister. But it's the same thing. The flights is crazy high. And Kisha's like, well, we could pick another weekend. I was just trying to do that one because we have a day off of work. I'm like, I might as well, try to use that free day off to my advantage. And then I would just have to take one day off, like on that Monday. But it's just so high right now. So I think in reality what I should do is just take that money and put it towards my other cruise. Because, we got groupcation in August. And final payment will be coming up for that soon. And I don't even owe that much left on it. So I need to just pay that off. You can still come with us. You can still come with us on groupcation August 11th through the 15th on the Carnival Freedom. Excuse me. Leaving from Orlando. We're going to Nassau and Princess Key. But we're going to have a great time as a group. And then I have the Vlogger Extravaganza Cruise in January on Norwegian. I don't even, what ship? The Breakaway, I think it is. So I'm going with Jocelyn and Veronica and Shelly on that cruise with tons of other vloggers as well. So I think it's probably best that I just focus on that. Not to mention, we got the wedding coming up in May, which means I'm hosting a bridal shower, which I gotta pay for. And then, is that it? I think that might be it right now. So, I need to do that. All the while trying to save money at the same time. But, in my heart, I'm like, I want to go on a cruise. I want to get on the ship. I want to go to a beach. I just want to sit somewhere and chill. But I needed to sit my butt home and chill, right? So, there's that. Oh, and guess what I did, y'all? I finally put my new pins up in my my map. Hold on. Y'all remember my map from Conquest Maps? And I was able to put in over here Illinois and Indiana. So I got 2 more pins on my map. Also, I wanted to show you, y'all remember my vision board, and I'm on my goal to save $1,000 of emergency money. And so far I've done January, February, and March. So I'm keeping track. So I am sort of keeping track with everything that I plan to do in 2022 so far. And we're still growing, like on my vision board, my channel. When I did that, it was January 22nd, and I had 9,400 subscribers. And as of this morning, I have 9,699 subscribers. So in 2 months, we've gained almost 300 subscribers. If you are not subscribed, now is a perfect time to hit that subscribe button. We are trying to hit 10,000, and we are so close. So if you are here and not subscribed, I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. What else? I'm making these shirts right now, so I can get those mailed out tomorrow, and I will show you guys when I'm done with that. So I'm gonna focus, and I'll be back. Oh, and look, my tattoo's doing okay today. It's still swollen and red, but it's not too bad. Still very tender. All right, let me show y'all. So this shirt is for Mary. She wanted a tank top. She's cruising at the end of the month, and she's gonna rock a Edna's Well shirt. I appreciate the support so much, and I hope you have a wonderful cruise. So I got this like turquoisey blue shirt. She didn't care the color, just as long as it wasn't yellow. So, and then I got the black and the white. And then this one is for Miss Lisa, who's also cruising this month. I'm so jealous, and I appreciate. So I just got her a red one. And then this is for Kaya. Y'all know Just Kaya TV, who, congratulations, just hit, I believe, 800 subscribers. She's on her way to 1,000, y'all. So let's go over there and subscribe to her channel, Just Kaya TV. Her and the kids are going on spring break on the Mardi Gras later this month. So let's cruise. And this is just one I just finished. I still have to do 2 more, but they're gonna look just like this. So I only need to show y'all this one.